It was one dark moment in the evening, as I think about what was happening. I feel so sad and getting worried about myself. I feel that I need Jesus in my life. Hold me, Lord, hold me, Lord, hold me, Lord, hold me, Lord, hold me from this dreary world of darkness. Teach me, Lord, teach me, Lord, teach me, Lord, teach me, Lord, lead me to the brighter path of righteousness. I am also thinking of other people who separated from His comfort zone. We'll ask the Lord for help and deliverance to bring them back and return to Jesus' side. Hold me, Lord, hold me, Lord, hold me, Lord, hold me, Lord, hold me from this dreary world of darkness. Teach me, Lord, teach me, Lord, teach me, Lord, teach me, Lord, lead me to the brighter path of righteousness. As we are living in this world, my dear brother, sometimes we feel and fear struggles over there. It is because we all know we are human. Nobody's perfect in this world, only divine. Hold me, Lord, hold me, Lord, hold me, Lord, hold me from this dreary world of darkness. Teach me, Lord, teach me, Lord, teach me, Lord, teach me, Lord, lead me to the brighter path of righteousness. Hold me, Lord, hold me, Lord, hold me, Lord, hold me, Lord, hold me from this dreary world